You see, you are getting slowly established in spiritual life now. I was in Chennai from 1984. Five years I was there when I got my sannyasa. So many volunteers used to come. They used to do some work every day, cleaning the garden, do sweeping in the front, this, that. So many work they used to give. And our President Maharaj was Tapasyananji Maharaj. He's Vice President of Mutt and Mission, who is authorized to initiate, is to initiate people. These volunteers will be working outside for their livelihood, but devoted to Sri Ramakrishna. And they are not very keen about realization of God. So the questions and answers Maharaj would give used to surprise us very, very often. I used to wonder how much they can digest alone we have to give. That was his contention. Giving more will be difficult for them to digest, neither this way or not that way. So some of the volunteers will ask a question. One day, one devotee is coming there from about 8 to 10 years. Every day is coming. But nobody has seen him sitting for meditation or attending to studies or lectures. He'll be working here, there, some kitchen, he will go clean the vessels. So many work he'll do, services he will do. But then the tendency, contemplative life, or the true ideal of God realization was not there in them. But they wanted to serve. That much. So they asked Tapasyananji Maharaj how to meditate, how to begin the meditation. Maharaj told them, see, go on telling while walking here and there, and just to go on telling, what all I have is yours. What all you have is yours. What all I have is yours. There is nothing mine. Go on telling this. All that I have is yours. All that is yours, and I don't have anything. That was the formula I gave. Because from there, slowly he starts understanding what is God. Then he comes to the contemplative life, which you people are doing now. Then the second question he asked was, what is serving God? How to serve God? Tapasyananji immediately told, if you have 2 rotis and you see a hungry man, give one. If you have education, if you see a student struggling to pass his examination, call and give him teach him some lessons of his school, that he'll be able to succeed in his education. This is service to God. This is serving God. Because he cannot sit and do the regular worships, what we do, Dashopachar Puja or Panchopachar Puja. They are not just. What beautiful presentation you see. Then he asked, what is loving God? What is bhakti? What is loving God? He said, start loving all the people living around you. Love is sacrifice, which doesn't seek anything, and just like a mother serves the children, it is serving the people and loving. Serving certifies that I am sacrifice. I am sacrificing. Time I am sacrificing. That how there to love nature, to love all beings is loving God. Because God understanding doesn't come. What exactly God? Very difficult to conceive. It is all pervading, everything is pervaded by Him. And we are not able to penetrate into the outer cover of name and form and enter and see God in every object, in every being. He dwells in every being, every object. Within, He is that. He has become that. But still we are not able to, because of our identification with the body. So, how simple way, and slowly they progress with these small formulas. Then he said, when you are eating, don't take food without praying for the hungry people in the world. Don't take food without praying for the people who are hungry in the world. When in 1984 or 85 he told, it is still ringing in my ear. This is practical people who cannot do meditation and all, to practicalize and come to that stage. But you are now advanced from those simple things. You can go faster with developing intimacy with God and serving God directly in your own way.